Sarah, and you need to tweet the canary. Tweet tweet.
All right, this is Davey Davis, and I want to wish you, Cyber Canary, the best. I know you're going to be a big hit with a lot of people, and you're my hero already, or heroine, is it maybe? Hero. Okay, he's a Cyber Canary guy. So we're excited that you're going to be helping us get people excited about Edith Bowling Wilson, the museum. And you don't have to pretend you like everything about Edith, because I don't either. But we're excited about your friendship, so we're looking forward to all those people out there telling us what you think, too.
Be sure to tweet the Cyber Canary. Don't let this one die yet another stark and hideous death. Best wishes to the Cyber Canary.
Hey, you bird. I see that you're a Cyber Canary, but I'm glad that you're not a cyborg canary, because I don't think that'd be very good for you. It might not be good for the rest of us either, because, you know, if you had some kind of cyborg powers or something, who knows what would happen. But I guess it's okay to be a cyber canary. Just kind of keep an eye on that.
If you didn't know this about a canary, they would take them down in the coal mine, and if they dropped dead, that means there was methane gas and you had 10 minutes to get out, or you'd drop dead with them.
Canary, let's see. Big Bird was a canary, right?
Sure.
Yeah. Big Bird, that's my favorite canary.
Well, I've been thinking about Edith and all those 26 canaries that she had to take care of, and I've wondered if she ever had to give them a bath. Because that's something that my sister did. This is my grown-up sister. His name is Ruth. She had a parakeet, and she's a little bit of a clean freak. So she decided after a few days that she needed to give Fifi Bird a bath. She took Fifi Bird to the sink, and she used dishwashing detergent, and she washed little Fifi Bird all over. Well, after she finished, little Fifi Bird just flopped over. So she didn't know what to do. And she called the vet, and the vet said, "Oh, you've taken all the oil out of her feathers." So Ruth said, "Well, what do I do?" And he said, "Well, you just hope she survives." Well, Ruth then decided she ought to help her get some oil back. So she went to the cabinet and she got the Wesson oil bottle and wiped it back on little Fifi Bird's feathers to see if she could revive the poor little thing. And believe it or not, she survived. She lived a long and happy life. So I just wonder if Edith ever tried that, particularly since we know she didn't especially like having to take care of all those canaries. She may have figured out a way to sort of shorten their little lives.
You know, this whole Cyber Canary thing, you know, I think that's just wonderful. It's just such a great idea, you know, where you got the canary. It's going to be a community. Oh my God, is that a cat coming?
Oh, I thought I saw a pretty cat. I did see a pretty cat. Fluffer and Succotash.